Love yourself through storm and flame, even when the world calls your name. No one else can hold.
Want to make awesome remix songs in just a few minutes like this? Today, I'll show you how to create a remix using Suno AI, step by step. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, you need to access Suno AI. Just open up your browser and go to their website. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's totally free to get started. You'll just need to sign up with your email or log in with Google. Super quick and easy. This is where you can create brand new songs or remix existing ones. Now let's move on to the fun part. To get started, navigate to the Create section and click on it. Here, you'll have a couple of options to begin your remix. If you already have vocals you want to work with, you can upload an audio file directly from your device. This is a great option if you're looking to remix an existing song or experiment with your own recordings. Alternatively, if you don't have an audio file, you can enter song lyrics or simply type a title. Next, you can customize your track by choosing a lyrics model that fits your style, selecting your workspace, or using the Get Idea feature if you need inspiration. Once you're happy with your setup, just hit Create, and Suno AI will generate 2 different versions of your song for you to choose from. Suno gives every user 50 free credits per day, which is usually enough to generate multiple remixes. If you ever need more, you can upgrade to a paid plan for extra credits and faster processing. Here's the music I generated. Let's listen to each track one by one and see how they sound.
Mirror cracked, but I still see the fire burning inside of me. Flaws and scars make up my frame, but I've learned to love me just the same. Love yourself through storm and flame.
Mirror cracked, but I still see the fire burning inside of me. Flaws and scars make up my frame, but I've learned to love me just the same.
The best part? You can even edit the lyrics to match your vision perfectly. Once you're happy with the final remix, go ahead and download it. Suno AI gives you the option to save your track in MP3 for audio or MP4 if you want a video format. Just a few clicks, and your remix is ready to share. The music you create with Suno AI is completely copyright-free. That means you can use it for your YouTube videos, background music, or any creative project, just like we did. No worries about copyright claims or restrictions, so you're free to remix, share, and monetize your content hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.